So there was a huge blizzard in Halifax today. We're heading down to the waterfront. We're gonna do some videos. I got William over here with me. Hey, it's Willie. And I also have Iqbal, who's our new photographer.
He doesn't want to be on camera.
He's excellent. He doesn't want to be on camera, but if we zoom in right there, check the weather outside. So we're going down to the waterfront. This is Halifax in the middle of a, well, not the blizzard anymore, but we certainly had one, and it certainly wasn't the best. Let me show you around. This is pretty snowy over here. All right, there's a Halifax bus. So as you can see, the wind is picking up. Oh my God! We're gonna go inside of the Tim Hortons, grab a coffee. Tassine's taking some awesome shots. Tassine? Oh my God! We got a decent amount of frostbite settling in.
So hot on your fingers.
You get to see? He's like, it's so hot in here. So we're inside. I look like an old man because of the hair. We're having some coffee. Warming up. It is so cold outside. This is the Halifax blizzard. Check it out. Look at that guy. Oh no! Tassine is an amazing photographer. Thank you for the pictures. I'm gonna throw the pictures up right now.